All right, guys, there's a lot that's happened since the last video on this machine. I know the last video that you guys seen was me honing out the cylinder and putting that new piston in. Since then, a lot has happened. It's got, as you can see, I got it back in the machine. It was smoking really bad. I'll put a video in here where it was smoking really bad. So what was happening, far as I know, and what the injector shop was saying, is the injectors here were super bad. They were wore right out, he said, and it was $158 a piece to have these rebuilt. Brand new, they're $350 for brand new ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in the holes. There's one there, and one there, one way back yonder. So I'm gonna do that, and as I'm doing that, I am emptying the fuel tank, because I don't know if this is good fuel or bad fuel. This machine sat for a long time. So let me grab the GoPro stand, and I'll try to set you up and see if I can get any good videos. All right, I got 2 injectors here, but one don't seem like it's going in all the way. In fact, I know it's not in all the way. Come on. There it goes. It's in there now. Tightening this one down. This is gonna go back on here. Like that. Kind of a long ways back there. Let's see. This is yes, Micaiah. I don't want to go too tight because I don't want to snap them off. I'm sure you're supposed to torque these down, but I'm sure they have some kind of torque specifications, like everything does on these engines. Oh, where'd that one go? Shoot. And now sorry if my arm is in the way. Kind of screw that on. Now that one is finger tight. That one's finger tight. thing really don't get on there very good. Come on, get on there already. Oh, it was on there. There we go. Oh, it's way better than before. See if I can get it back off. There we go. Sounds like it's out of fuel now. Let me shut off the fuel pump. No, I'm using
that. Daddy, you drive, yes?
No, I can't drive it yet. Alright, let me grab the other two injectors here. And we'll put those in where they belong, right here. Kind of doing some pre-assembly. Why am I not doing any pre-assembly on this one? I have to. So they put on. Pull that little needle thing off. They put that super thin one on, and I know these ones here that came out of it the first time are a lot thicker. If you can see the difference.
Daddy, is that
a lot thicker.
Engine?
So I take these old ones and put these old ones on because I'm not sure. Oh, and I lubricate this O-ring.
Dad, why this is in here?
Oh my God, yeah.
Dad, you're supposed to be in here.
Will you go play? Go play, please. And then I lubricate that O-ring. Oh, boogers. I was afraid of that. I'm afraid these are gonna...
Hi, Daddy. Can I...
Oh, wait.
Can I do this one?
No, go play. Go play. Go play. Kids, just go play, please. So then this here will go. And then you... Oh, come on. Just like that back one. That O-ring don't like to slide in the hole. It's like it's too big. I still don't know if the O-ring went in right. I have a hard time believing that's the right O-ring. See, the O-ring popped out again.
Papa.
Did you find that thing I was looking for?
What were you looking for?
The pump. So I gotta pump out the hydraulic fluid. I put a bit smaller O-ring on there, so maybe it will go in the hole this time. I don't think it's going to. It's kind of weird to have that groove in there and then not have it slide in its hole like it's supposed to. Come to think of it, I don't know if it had O-rings in there the last time either. Put this guy on there, maybe when I tighten it down, maybe it'll pop it in the hole. Ouch. And then this goes in here like this. That. We take this. No, stop. How did you lock that? What did you have? The button? Yeah. Did you have this button? Huh. Kid's locking me out of my own truck. I'm praying this is why it's smoking so bad. And by having these injectors rebuilt, gonna solve the issue. Because before you couldn't even throttle that sucker up, it would just fall on its face. I just noticed this ratchet's flying in front of that camera. That's gotta be good on video.
Dad.
Will you please stop?
Okay. Stop what, silly?
Put that on there. Put that one on there like that. Should be one more. And then this one, this little cap goes on the end here. Goes on there like that. Another clamp that clamp on there like so. Pull these off. Come on. It's on there. Been waiting for this machine to get done. See if I had a good investment or a bad investment. I'm praying for a good investment here.
Why the gun was working? I don't know why it's a water gun. But why needs batteries?
I don't know.
But then a company made for water gun.
Can you go get one of those bucket?
This was a pain in the rump. If I can get a good grab on there, I think it'll tighten this time. Okay. Alright, that's tightened on there. I'm gonna hook this back up. Hook that back up. That goes there. Now we got to get this turbo pipe back on, and it's a hard one to get on there. It's a hard one to get on there. That turbo pipe. Where's a good spot to put the camera?
Right there on the battery. Dad.
Let's try that. Alright guys, there you go. Well, let me wipe that screen off. There, that's better. So I'm gonna rehook up this fuel line. I guess I should have did that before I moved you guys over there to watch me fill up full of fuel. Where'd my screwdriver go? There it is. So that's tightened back on. Put that down. The battery charger. Let me grab that new fuel. New fuel I just got today. Probably only gonna put in like a few gallons so before I fill it up, just to make sure it's gonna run right. And by the way, these cans are about stupid. They're not about stupid, they are. Just the way they're designed. These are the stupidest cans in the world. I'm not sure how big the tank is on this, to be honest. If I need to put more than 2 gallons in, I think so. I think so. How many gallons is that? I don't know. We'll try it with that little bit of fuel. Alright. Let's see if it will start.